They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want
Okay, hello everyone. Okay, how are you today? Okay, I hope that all you guys are very happy because you will study English with me. Okay, and today, what are we going to study, everyone? You know it? Okay, so I will tell you, right? So, first of all, I would like to say thank you everyone, and then welcome to Sokha teaching, and don't forget, okay, to subscribe, and then press the button, and then like or share to your friend if you think that this video is very useful for you and for the other people. Okay, so what we are going to study today. Okay, what is it? Okay, what we are going to study today, it is here that as you can see in the slide. Okay, we are going to study this, that, these, and those. Okay, so these are very important grammar for beginner learner. So you have to study one by one. Okay, so don't waste the time, please. Okay, we have to. Okay, the first thing we talk about this. Okay, that we can say in Khmer, this. Okay, so we use this as plus the singular. We use this plus singular and to talk about people or things that are near to us. So something that something that is near to us, we use with this and then plus with singular. Okay, so now look at the example. I have two examples for you to study. The first example, I like this picture. You can see I like this picture. So the picture here is near to us, and picture is only one picture. Okay, because it is we need because after this we need the plus a singular noun. Right? And the second example, this book is good for you. Okay, okay, I can see book. Book is near to us, and it's a singular as well, right? So we use this. Okay, and you can make another example with this. Simple thing. The noun is singular and near to us. Okay, so now another one. What we're talking about is this. So the pronunciation between this one is different. Okay, so this. So we can use this plus pronoun to talk about things, people, or things that are near to us. Right? Okay, so this. Okay, we can think my English. So we use now look at the example. Okay, two example as well. The first example is these cars are very old. So look at these cars with S, right? Because after this we need to use with a plural noun, and this car are near to us. Okay, so we can say we have a written car with S. Okay, another one. I play these games. It's games with S. Okay? It means that plural noun. Okay? Not only one game, two or more than one games. And also this game is near to us. Okay. Now another one. We use that. We use that plus a singular noun to talk about a thing or people that are not near to us. Go when, or we can say far to us. Okay. So that say it my look. So we use that with singular noun, but it's not near to us. I mean it's far from us. Okay, so now take a look with the two examples. Can you see that man? So that man, so man, we must use with singular, and that man is not near to us, far away from us. Okay, you can use the this or that or this or so in any form. Okay, question negative. Okay, positive is okay, right? And one more, that car is mine. So that car is mine. So the car is singular, you can see, and it's not near to us. Okay, and another one.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want
So we use those plus plural to talk about people or things that are not near to us. I mean, far from us. Let's take a look at two examples. Who are those? Who are those children outside? Okay, so children plural, and those computers are new. So computer are plural. Okay, and next we can use this or that, this or those without a noun. Okay, so we can use them alone in the sentence. So look at the example. So this is my phone. You can say this is my phone. So after this there is no noun. That's nice. Okay, so that's nice. There is no noun here. And these are my favorite things. So no noun here. And can I have this? It's no noun. Okay, and she doesn't like that. Okay, and we don't want those, so we can use this, that, this, and those without noun too, right? But the same meaning, right? Okay, so our lesson that I share to you is come to the end, and I would like to say thank you so much for paying my attention to my explanation, and that and all you guys that watch my video at the beginning and to the end. If you have any question, you can list your comment below the video. I will make another new video for you. Okay.